This work is one of my students' work by name Amadi Okechukwu. They were asked to use man-made and nature castaway for expression of care, love. And as you can see the bird with the nest and the tree. You have to pick different materials from our environment in order to come up with this beautiful work of art. So in most assignments, they were asked to look for nature or man-made castaway. At times, they were asked to look for both, combine them in a composition in order to express themselves visually. So as you can see, this is one of them. This one is a seat. You can call it a stool. It's made of nature castaway. It's done by my student, 300 level student of this department. It's a stool. He used the nature castaway, that is the root from a tree. He used it to express himself. As you can see, one can easily sit on this comfortably. Can you see the functionality of the work? It's a seat where you can relax. Maybe to do when you are doing other things, you can relax on a seat like this. So the Okoma used the tree root, which he found in his environment, for the creativity to create a stool